Hello everybody, welcome back to my amazing, wonderful YouTube channel, and my last video 2018. I'm wearing this really weird shirt that makes me look weird, because I don't wear shirts like this. I wish it had a button so that I could look more normal, but it doesn't, and I'm legally forced to wear this. So, I guess I kind of have to. So anyway, welcome to a room tour. In 2017 I did a room tour, and how long I've procrastinated to do one in 2018? This long, the very last day. So I decided I would make this a yearly thing, so I wanted to do it this time. And also I don't have a cameraman or anything, so it's going to be just me picking up my phone and running around my room. Maybe one day I'll get a cameraman and this will be more professional, but for now, you can deal. So, this is what it looks like. It's a lot different from last time if you watched the video from last time. You probably didn't, but maybe you should do that, but you probably shouldn't because it's cringy. Anyway, the first thing you'll notice, because this is my door to my room, the first thing you'll notice when you walk in is this. I got this from Springfield. It has my name on it. I didn't write that. My handwriting isn't that good. And yeah, so there's few other things I got in here that are also from Springfield that I'll point out, so I just wanted to kind of point that out to you before we did anything else. Anyway, second thing you'll notice is my backpack. I love putting pins on my backpack, so you can look at them. I'm not going to really explain them that much, but it's basically the definition of me, all these pins. I love them all so much. You also might be noticing I'm wearing wireless headphones. That's because the audio on my phone doesn't work, and I don't feel like taking them off because what if the Bluetooth gets disconnected and then you can't hear me anymore? That would be horrible. So I can barely even hear myself right now, but hopefully you can hear me better. Anyway, now we have my dresser. I have some nice lotions and stuff on here that I got for Christmas. Pretty cool. I have this. I don't know what it is, but it's there. There's a hanger on my floor. How wonderful. Anyway, we have a drawer of socks. I don't have any fun socks because I'm not a fun person, sadly. Emo drawer number 1, emo drawer number 2, also musically. Next, we have this drawer, which has some other lotions and hair bands and stuff inside of here, which is pretty cool. Next, we have this drawer that has tank tops and a sweater in it for some reason. I don't know, it's weird. You have this drawer that has swimsuits and socks, which is an odd combination, but whatever. No, I won't shame you. This drawer with my pajamas in it. And let's go ahead and go over to my nightstand. We have tissues just in case I get sick. An alarm clock to wake me up in the morning. Except I don't use it. Instead I use Alexa. And she's amazing. Hi, Alexa.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Same. Anyway. Over here, we have stuffed animals. This is a hat that I got from Springfield. I told you I'd mentioned Springfield earlier, so hopefully you were expected to hear that. I never use these stuffed animals. They just sit here in the corner and are probably very lonely. The bath bombs from my friend. Heelys. Haven't used those in years. Hot Topic back in the corner with random stuff in it. Slippers I haven't used in years. Wow, we're going strong, guys. Anyway, inside of here is nothing besides 2 bits of frog food. Speaking of frogs, if you lost the last video, you probably realized that I had frogs. Well, they died, so now I don't have frogs. Anyway, I have this. This is Springfield, Illinois on it. Because, again, I did go to Springfield. It was cool. It was for a school field trip. Alright, we have other random crap in there. See if you can spot anything you recognize. Cool. Alright. Next we have my bed. It has a blanket on it. It has a ukulele on it. 2 days ago I recorded a song with this ukulele and you can watch it on my channel. It's pretty darn cool. Alright. We have a pillow on my bed. Underneath my bed, we have random crap. Cool. Anyway, we have this bag here. I never put anything on it. It just sits there. We have my Trench CD on my desk. And inside of it, a signed copy of Trench. That's cool. Light. Cool things on the light. I got this from Springfield. Lots of Springfield things today. A lot of pencils. I have more in my closet. I won't be showing you them because that's boring. I have this turtle, but psych, it's actually a candle. Haven't used it yet. Maybe I will. I have this token thing that I can get free ice cream with. Cool. This is something my friend painted me for my birthday. Cool. This. Nice. Self-explanatory. This is a keyboard. I wrote all of my songs except my newest one, which I wrote with my ukulele, which you should watch that video because it's good. Sorry about that. My sister's a jerk and she walked in on me while I'm recording a YouTube video. So yeah, listen to my music. It's great. My computer that I put here because I was watching YouTube videos until I became motivated to make one. A poster of Brendan Urie from Panic at the Disco. Great dude. Poster of 21 Pilots from 21 Pilots. Great dude. A G, because G is the first letter of my name. A drawer with clothing in it that I don't care about. Anyway, that's my whole thing, except you can look in my closet if you want to, but it just has a ton of things I never use in clothes. So I hope you enjoyed my room tour. It's very different than last time. And yeah, cheers to 2018, and I hope you lose weight. Bye!